Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu states, on some way to Madina Munawwara, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu happened to meet Ibn Sayyad. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, do you testify that I am Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? He said, do you testify that I am Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, His angels alayhimus salam, and His books. What do you see? He replied, I see a throne on water. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you see Iblis, throne on water. What more do you see? He replied, I further see 2 true and 1 liar, or 2 liars and 1 true. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, leave him. His affair has become dubious for him. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7275.